Welcome traders and investors to a quick tutorial on chart templates on Barchart.com. Chart templates allow you to save your favorite chart layout and indicators to use across interactive charts, flip charts, dashboards, and my charts. Let's start by selecting an asset like the S&P 500. And then we want to click on the interactive chart page. If you click the templates button at the top of the chart, you'll see a drop-down menu with a list of pre-built bar chart templates that you can choose from right away. These include a range of common setups from technical analysis and moving average views to momentum and RSI-based layouts. These are a great starting point if you want to explore different strategies or simply customize the look of your charts. Now let's clear these studies by clicking the trash icon and let's create our own chart template. From any chart, start by adding your favorite indicators. For example, let's add Bollinger Bands and Relative Strength Index RSI to our chart. Once you've got your setup looking the way you like, click on the Templates button again and select Save Current Chart as a template. Here, you can give your template a name and a short description for reference. If you'd like this layout to appear automatically every time you open a chart, you can check the box that says Default Template. If you want to edit and manage your new template, go to Tools on the menu and select Chart Templates. From here, you can view, edit, or delete your existing templates. Keep in mind, free users can save one chart template. You can upgrade your account if you want to create and save multiple templates, and then you can arrange the order here. Let's say you don't know where to start, or you like one of our existing templates. Go back to Tools on the menu and select Barchart Templates. Here, you'll see a list of pre-made chart templates with those descriptions. If you click one that stands out to you, you can even make a copy of a default template to tweak it and save it as your own. So we can change the style and layouts, including bar types, and also add studies and indicators from the drop-down menu. This is especially helpful if you want to customize one of Barchart's templates, but still keep the original version for reference. Once you're done, just click Save As. Now that you've created a layout you love, you can always set it as your default template across the site. There's a couple ways to get there. We can go back to the Chart Templates page and click here, or go back to Tools on the menu and click Site Preferences. Here, scroll down to the Chart Settings section. Then, change from Last Viewed Chart Settings to Use Chart Template and select your new template as a default. Keep scrolling down and you can do the same for Flipcharts. Using the drop-down menu, select your new template as a default. This way, whenever you open a new chart or scan through Flipcharts, your preferred template loads automatically, saving time and keeping your charts consistent. Let's test it out. Head to the Stocks tab on the menu and let's take a look at the top 100s list. Whenever you're looking at a watch list or screener results, you'll see Flipcharts at the top. This feature lets you scroll through a list of symbols using your saved template. So as you flip through these tickers, you'll notice your indicators and layouts are identical to the ones we just built. That's the beauty of templates. Once you set them up, every chart becomes instantly familiar. If you want to take a deeper dive into the many tools on Barchart, go to the Learn tab on the menu and click Site Education. Once you're here, you'll find plenty of resources to help you become a pro. So no more excuses. Start building your own new template, and we'll see you for the next one.